The moment I boldly reveal my true self to the world. On a stage where no one can take my place. In my own rhythm, in my own way. I speak with my body and express my story through movement. With more passion and more confidence than anyone else. My body is my language, and dance is my freedom. No form of disability can stand in my way. I keep striving to become a better version of myself. Even if I fall, I rise again, and I keep moving forward. I don't care how the world sees me. I am, we are dancers.